Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to the Hera English School online teaching for standard 10th. Now, we had started with the second lesson, that was Thief Story. It was written by Ruskin Bond. Now we are going to do the concluding part. We know the basic thing is, let us revise some of the part, that is the person, the character, the narrator. That was Hari Singh. Hari Singh, 15-year-old thief who made confidence with his talk and conversation with a man of 25-year-old, that was Anil. And then he cheated upon that person. Now he took away all his money and he was on his way to catch the Lucknow Express. Now till there we had seen that he had went to the railway station. He went on the platform. He saw that the train was about to move. The train was moving, in fact. The train was moving slowly. But Hari Singh could have easily caught the train, but he still stood still on the platform, thinking after the train had gone, the platform was deserted. Very few people were left on the platform. Hari Singh avoided his friends and he was blank. He was just thinking. He was unable to understand where to go now. In his mind, the thoughts were pouring continuously. He came to the conclusion that he will sit for some time and think in a better manner. So he crossed the road and went in a small garden-like place. There he sat on the bench. It was still dark night and it was early November, and the scene was that it started raining. The cold wind were blowing and then it started raining. As it started raining, all his clothes became wet. In fact, the money which he was hiding under his pajamas also became wet. He thought for a long time and decided finally to come back to Anil. Why? Because he knew that the only person in this world with whom he knew, and Anil knew him and had confidence on him, and he felt guilty that he had broken the trust of Anil. But he was afraid that if he is discovered by Anil, what will happen? He actually wanted to go back home to Anil's house, but he was thinking that if Anil discovered, there will be a big problem. But still, he gathered all his confidence and went towards the house of Anil. Slowly he entered inside. It was still dark and Anil was sleeping. Then he put back all the money in its position where it was last time, and then he tried to sleep. Now next day Anil made him wake up and gave 50 rupees note in his hand. When Hari Singh touched the note, he came to know with his feelings that the note was still wet. Now, how the note had become wet? When he had taken away all the money and he was sitting in the garden at that time, the rain was there, right? So he now became shocked and was still afraid that whether Anil knows all the story. But Anil was smiling, and his body language, his facial expression were not at all showing any of the things that he knows the story. But Hari Singh knew in his mind that actually Anil knows everything. But still Anil trusts him. Why he is trusting him? Because Anil knows, as a teenager boy, he does not have much of the idea that what can happen if he goes in the wrong line. So Anil wants him to become a good citizen by trusting him, helping him out, by making him in confidence and making him read and write and then become a good citizen. So Anil is helping a boy who is emotionally disturbed and he is in habit of cheating people because he does not have any livelihood other than cheating the people. So he had become thief because of the situation in his life. So Anil wants to change that situation, support him totally, give him confidence and make him a good citizen. So the moral here is, if a criminal we come around and we need to turn him into a good person, we need to have a trust, care for that person. Trust is the most important thing which can make a person change into a good person. So inshallah this lesson is completed. Now we will see the language study. Now in your textbook on page number 12 we are going to solve some of the questions. The first one is complete the web diagram. Now Anil's virtues. Now we need to take into account what were the qualities of Anil. You must have seen what were his qualities. He was kind, he was simple, he was honest and he was trustworthy, right? Such kind of things you need to add there. Let us see Hari's vices. That means what good qualities Hari had. Hari Singh had the qualities like he was very clever at cheating people, he was cunning, I suppose. Then he was not sincere, that means he was insincere, he was dishonest. Now question number 2 there. The question reads, insert the appropriate word or phrase given below in the sentence that follow. What is a phrase? Phrase is a group of words which has some sense, okay, and we can find many of the phrases in this lesson also. Now the phrases which are given here is flattery. What does flattery means? Flattery means insincere praise. Appealing, that means attention getting attractive. Then by fits and starts, what does it mean by fits and starts? By fits and start it means in short irregular intervals. That means sometime it is there or sometime it is not there, okay. Undetected. Undetected means not identified. Undetected means not identified. Then we have spirits rose, that means became very hopeful, okay. So let us see how we can convert them into the sentences, how we can utilize them. The first one which is there, I dashed the school gate when I heard the school bell ring. Here we can, which appropriate word we can add there? See there, dashed, dashed to. What do you mean by dashed to? Very hurriedly entered. I dashed to the school gate when I heard the school bell ring. Second one, after the death of my pet dog, my dash when dad got me a new pup. That means here which we can say it is the spirits rose. Why spirits rose? That means he started becoming happy or hopeful, okay. Do not stoop to dash just to gain something from someone. Here the word can come is flattery because it is a insincere praise, okay. The artist completes his painting by fits and starts, okay. We can write these words. Then the next one is the crime went dash for 11 years. The word that can we choose is undetected. The next one is when the baby saw its mother, it gave an dash smile. Which smile it gave? It gave an appealing smile, okay. The next thing which we are going to do here is complete the given sentences, okay. First sentence is Anil kept Harry as a cook because he wanted someone to cook for him. Second sentence, see there, Harry was grateful. Why he was grateful? Because he got a chance to read and write. Okay. The third one, Harry continued making money by cheating Anil while buying the day's supplies. Now the fourth one here is Anil didn't hand Harry over to the police because he wanted Harry to become a good citizen. The fifth one now, the moral of the story is, we can say honesty is the best policy, or we can say if others trust you, you should not break their trust. Okay. The next question we are moving on to is major question number 8. Here we need to have the WH question here. What do you mean by WH question? Now WH question, as far as we are concerned, we have had it in, I think, in 7th standard also, as well as in 8th standard, as well as in 9th standard. It's just a revision. See the first sentence, I hurried back to the room. Where did I hurried back to? When the question is asked, we can say the answer is to the room. Same way you follow and complete the more questions which are given on page number 13. Jazakallah khair.